you ever been curious about what it is to build from the ground up, how that process looks with Payne Homes here in Magnolia Pointe? Well, it's super easy. First thing we do is we pick out a perfect lot. We've got several of every type. We've got flat ones that back up like this one to the natural green space that's designated within the neighborhood. And we also have walkout basement lots. We've got corner lots, cul-de-sac lots, any kind of design you want as a lot, we can make happen. From there, then we sit down and we talk about, we look through, we've got 10 homes that you can tour right now in person, and if none of those floor plans specifically fits the bill and fits your needs, then we can look at all of the other floor plans that, we'll decide how many square feet you need, how many beds and baths, and then we'll have Payne Homes pull from their library of floor plans and figure out which ones are best suited for you, and then we figure out pricing and put together a contract. It's a super easy process with Payne Homes. They've been doing this so long, and it's so much fun to start from the very beginning. I hope that you will consider building from the ground up with Payne Homes in Magnolia Pointe.